Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be applying the French mini sculptured coffin by Enail Couture. These are super teeny tiny. Really quick, I just want to let you guys know I did record this video already and a lot of it was blurry because of my camcorder, so I think I fixed the problem. We'll see, but I am going to put some clips in here because we're not going to be doing the same design in that video. I actually used Enail Couture's blooming gel, the fun gel in 001. So I did a little design using that one, but as you all know, you want to go ahead and prep your nails, push back your cuticles, buff off the surface shine off your natural nail plate. Make sure you add your dehydrator, your primer, your base coat. I have already added a foil glue. This is just a regular foil glue as a peel off method so that I can pop them off when I'm done recording. These are the nails we are using in today's video. These were sent to me by my friend Patty. Thank you, Patty. These are a little more complicated and harder to apply than the longer ones. I don't know why. So I'm just going to show you guys how to apply them the easiest way that I know how. Make sure you have a cure lamp ready. I'm just using my nail polish holder, polish bottle holder from Amazon. I also tried applying these in the video that got ruined with polygel and it didn't really work out that great. So I'm actually going to use his DIY gel, which I absolutely love. This is the clear. He has a pink one as well. And then he also has a larger tube of the clear. So if you guys are interested in that, this is like a game changer. I love this stuff. It works fabulous. So as you all know, after you prep your nails, make sure your tips are prepped unless they're pre-etched. If they are pre-etched, you don't necessarily have to etch them or prime them. So you can do that even though they are pre-etched. It's totally your choice, your preference. What I like to do is take the DIY and I just like to go from one side to the other. And I'll like bring it up just a little bit because I want to make sure it's going to cover my whole nail. And then because these are so little, I do like to pinch it just a little bit before I try to apply it. So just pinch it just like that. Make sure your light's on. And even though they're pink and black, you're still going to be able to see the gel go from your cuticle to your free edge. Now, once it gets to your free edge, you're going to do a flash cure. Okay. Now, another thing that he also does on his Instagram lives is he'll take the nail and he'll start about right here. And then he'll slide it down the nail. I guess we could try it. See, with these, it's hard to get a good coverage, and I want to pinch right at my cuticle area. So I am going to actually hold that on there. See, this is really hard, you guys. I'm gonna try and just hold it like that and then cure. The thumb is the hardest, and I don't know why that is, but I've always had a problem applying the thumb with these smaller nails. Alright, that seems to be on there pretty good, so I'm just giving a real quick flash cure. You can flip it over also to get the underside. If I have any gel at all right here, I'll just clip it off. I can still see a couple spots. I did get some air bubbles in there. You guys will just have to keep practicing your application with these smaller ones, and then eventually you'll get it. This is only my second time doing the teeny tiny miniature nails. So again, you're going to take the nail, you're going to apply your DIY gel. Now if you want, you can just apply it right by the cuticle, just like that. Flip it over. I'm going to squeeze it a little bit, just give it a nice curve. Just squeeze. Flip it. All right, now go at a 45-degree angle, apply it to the nail. Watch that gel go all the way to your free edge, and then cure. And now, see, that one did pretty good. That one doesn't look too bad. Make sure there's enough gel in the nail to go from cuticle to free edge. Flip it over, pinch it a little, and then apply it. Make sure it goes from your cuticle to your free edge, and then cure. And I'm also kind of like pinching the sides as I'm curing. Apply it to the cuticle area and apply it. Watch it go all the way to the free edge. Cure it. Last nail, take the DIY, rub it in the cuticle area, pinch, flip. Okay, here we go. From cuticle to free edge, cure. Once you have them applied, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. All right, once you have them cured, go ahead and shape, file, and buff them. Now don't buff the black because the black can buff right off. So my suggestion, instead of buffing them after you file them and clean up around the cuticle area, is to apply a coat of primer and then your gel polish or whatever you're going to put on there. I had a request. Someone wanted me to use some of his foils, so I'm going to use the floral ones, but we're going to make a fall nail look. I got white foils, I got orange foils, and I got yellow foils. I'm going to go ahead and cut these out. I'm going to use my McCart foil glue. I am going to apply the foil glue to the nails first, and I'm going to put a thin coat of it on the nail. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to get a silicone tool. So you're just going to go ahead and you're going to flip your foil over. Here, a really easy way to do it is put it on your finger like this. Take the glue and then rub it right on the back, just like that. And then pick it up and lay it down. Go ahead and cure those for 60 seconds. Once they are cured, they're ready to be applied to your nail. Make sure you got your silicone tool ready, the flap, this one here. Something like that anyways. I'm gonna place it right about there. Take my silicone tool, I'm gonna rub it into the nail. Making sure you get all those wrinkles out. So guys, you're getting a 2-for-1 video today. So I'm showing you blooming gel and foils. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about that. Once you've scrubbed for a while, go ahead and take your tweezers and ta-da! So then what I would like to do, push out any wrinkles that may be left over from that foil, and we're gonna put that at the tip, just like so. We're gonna rub that in. Rub it down. Make sure you rub it in real good. And then, ta-da! And then you still have a little bit left you can use on another nail. Again, I'm gonna press out any air bubbles. Now this one is overlapping the other one, so that's what I'm saying when you're layering foils, because you're overlapping on the other one. Going right over the top of it. You're just gonna rub, rub, rub until you think you're happy. And then, ta-da! Then I'm just gonna rub that in. Because you have foil glue on your nail too, it makes it easier. Definitely easier. Takes longer, but... And there we go. Alright guys, I'm going to use this kit here from Macart. I'm going to put the name of it here on the screen. And what I'm going to be using is the Rhinestones, orange, yellow, and red because it matches the nails. Thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Enail Couture new diamond gel. This is for applying rhinestones. It is a no wipe formula, so you don't have to worry about, really you don't have to top coat if you use this. So we're gonna, for one, we're gonna seal in the flowers with this, and we're gonna add our rhinestones. Alright, once you got your gemstones, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Alright ladies, so this is what the nails would look like if they were glossy. I am going to go ahead and apply a matte top coat though. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Velvet Matte. I'm not going to go over the rhinestones, just the nail. We're going to see what happens. Alright, after your matte top coat is applied, go ahead and cure that. Guys, last thing, take your cuticle oil. This is the Cotton Candy Cuticle Oil by Enail Couture. And go ahead and apply that to your cuticles and rub that in real good. There is another short nail look you guys can do for the fall if you'd like. It's super cute, super easy to do. You guys, let me know what you guys think about this foil layering hack technique. So, that's it, you guys. That is 2 videos in one. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think. Which set is your favorite? Is it the fall set or is it the blooming gel set? Let me know down in the comment section. And before you leave, don't forget, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so that you won't miss any of my videos. And I will see y'all in the next one. I hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Bye.